But I'm just wondering whether Bing would be cheaper than using the likes of Google at the moment.
Yeah, yeah, I think it would absolutely be cheaper. I remember a little experiment we did on GarageBand. It was considerably cheaper than our ads, but as I will go into later, our ads were quite expensive because of different things and different factors that we were using. We had a very, very extensive budget for AdWords in that company, and the reason for that was because there was a lot of weather-based things that we were doing. So that changed it a lot. But with Bing, the difference was that it was a lot cheaper, yeah. If I remember correctly, there's like a cap at some point. Like you can reach a cap. That's not a thing with Google.
Yeah.
Like there are because Google doesn't really want to cap it because then they make more money. Whereas Bing is more like holistic about it, which I think is good because they're not getting sued right now, so that's probably why. Uh,
Have you seen what's happening as well? I'll stay away from that one.
the way that the Bing Analytics works is literally identical to Search Console and Analytics as well. So you can just track all the progress of your campaigns on there and things like that, and it's very nice and handy. Some things I was looking up before, I think yesterday or the day before, when I was looking at the court case going on between Google and the US, was that Bing is now like it's trying to make ads more obvious in recent times. Apparently, when the Bing was still going, which I think, yeah, I did notice when I was still doing it, was trying out the ads on there, was that it was quite hard to distinguish what was an ad and what wasn't.
Yeah.
Where Google, you get the big sponsored tag at the top, but I mean, most other people probably wouldn't know that very well.
But it's
Like if
grayed
they were
out
looking
as
at,
well. Like the sponsor, the text is like a very quite faint color.
yeah, yeah, of course, yeah. Whereas on Bing, yeah, it was less obvious. Now, what they've done is they've tried to make it more obvious, and also, um, they, I think it's called like green advertising. So, say if someone's being like environmentally friendly, they put those ads at the top. Well, they're like they would with PPC anyway. But then they say like this has been chosen for X reason or whatever, and it's like because they are like environmentally friendly products or environmentally friendly companies.
Interesting.